If you receive a notification for an account review on Spotify, it's important to handle it promptly and correctly. Follow these steps to navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for an email from Spotify regarding the account review. This email will provide details about the review process and any actions you need to take. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log into your account. Ensure that you are using the correct credentials associated with the account under review. Step 3. Review account activity. Once logged in, check your account activity. Look for any unusual behavior or unauthorized access that may have triggered the review. This includes unfamiliar playlists, songs, or login locations. Step 4. Follow instructions. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact support if necessary. If you encountered issues or have questions during the review process, reach out to Spotify's customer support. Provide them with any relevant information to help resolve your account review efficiently. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Spotify. Stay proactive and ensure your account remains secure.